Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this quick video, I'm going to explain how you can buy a put in Robinhood platform. This is a part of the Robinhood series that I'm running, and I have a full playlist of different option strategies and how you can execute them quickly on Robinhood platform. So once you watch this, do check them out as well. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So buying a put is a strategy if you are really bearish on a stock and you want to make money when stock goes down. So let's see how you can execute this on Robinhood platform. So step 1, you select for the stock that you want to buy a put for. In this case, just for example, I am selecting AMD. Now step 2 is once you are on that stock page, you're gonna select trade option, and this will put you into the option chain for that particular stock. Now step 3 is selecting the expiration date, and as you can see there are multiple expiration date here. It has a weekly expiration and you wanna select expiry date that you are comfortable with. Since you are buying a put, right, your move has to be quick in this case, because as you know, when you buy put or call, theta works against you. So every day that you hold this position, you're gonna lose money. So your move has to be quick in case of buying either call or put. So just for example, I'm selecting November 3rd. Now step 4, you want to make sure that you have buy and put selected. You do not want to select buy call because that changes the strategy completely. In this case, we want to make sure that you have a buy and put selected. Now the next step is selecting the strike price. Now this is again critical, as you select the right strike price which you think that stock could go down to. So let's say you think that AMD could fall in a week or 2 week time frame. So you would, let's say, I'm just for example, I'm selecting $100, right? So as the stock falls, you're gonna make money. Now the next step is review the profit and loss. In Robinhood, it shows a graph here, as you can see, right? So as the stock falls, you're gonna make money, and it shows that max profit as 9,000 something. Why is it that? Because it assumes that if the stock goes to zero, which practically it may not, but as the stock goes down, you're gonna make money in this case. Now the next step is you enter a limit price. As you can see here, there are two prices, bid and ask. So in this case, since you are buying something, you're buying a put, right? And if you want this contract to get executed immediately, you're gonna make sure that you select ask price, because if you put a bid price, it would be hard for your contract to get filled. So we wanna make sure that you enter ask price here. Okay, the final step is you just review everything and you want to make sure that everything looks fine, and then you swipe up to submit. So that was it, guys. That was a quick video on how you can buy a put. As I said, I have a complete playlist on how you can execute these different option trades in on Robinhood platform. So do check that out as well. If you have any questions, please put your questions down in the comment. I do read all the comments and I try to reply all of them. So definitely, if you have any questions, please put your question down in the comment. So that was it, guys, for this video. I'll talk to you in my next video. Happy investing, guys. Bye bye.